Good morning, this is the Fat Health Teacher, and I am doing my week 5 weekly check in. Let's get into the week 5 check in. I will say, first and foremost, the scale and I are not friends at all. I think I talked last week about one of my projects, which is to rip out this enormous concrete pad. I've been working on it for several hours a day. It involves using a sledgehammer in order to break it up, and then getting in with a hammer and a crowbar in order to continue breaking it up. I am moving the detritus to different areas of my yard for some reinforcement, um, for the purposes of reinforcement. And instead of getting, you know, thinner because I'm getting all this extra exercise, the scale went up. Now, I am now at 358, which I don't remember what my number was last week, but I think I think that's all. Oh, that's almost like 20 pounds. That's not even. That doesn't even make any sense. I was not awesome about my food choices over the last week. I did have ice cream and I did have pizza. Um, so I'm hoping the weight gain is because I gained muscle mass. Now, that's not going to matter when my doctor weighs me. So I still need to work on it. I still need to work on it. We're going to see what happens. All right, so let's start out with the three things. The three things that I think went well this week were the progress that I made in the backyard. I've got about a third of the pad knocked out. Um, I have cleaned up quite a large area of trash. I think I've only got about 3 bags of trash left to put together, and I'm going to do that today because today was trash day, so now my trash bins are empty, just in time for me to fill them up again. Um, what else? Oh, I have been doing really well with kind of my rhythm in the morning is I'll get my inspiration for what kind of video I want to work on. Um, and sometimes it'll come to me in my sleep, or it'll be like first thing on my mind, that kind of stuff. And then I will put together my video. So I think that's working out really well because while I'm waiting for my video to upload, then I practice my Duolingo, which is my Spanish stuff. Now, I have it currently set up so I'm not having to speak any of it, and I think this is actually problematic because I find that reading is quite easy, but if I am trying to speak it, I'm significantly weaker. Um, and let's see. Yeah, so I think I covered the things that went well. Obviously, things did not go well were food. Water was actually pretty good this week, mostly because I was outside sweating up a storm. Um, if you've never done the sledgehammer thing, that sucker's only 10 pounds, but you are using kind of a full range of body motion in order to bring it down, in order to break stuff apart. And it is a lot of work. Um, when I started, I could only do 10 swings before I needed to take a break. I'm up to about 25, and I can do 2 or 3 sets of that. So I know that I'm gaining some muscle, and I'm really hoping that's why my weight has gone up, which I think I already said, but it is what it is. Um, I want to increase my fruit and vegetable intake, decrease my ice cream intake, which kind of hurts me to say. Um, Finish working in the backyard, so I would like to get that completely set up. We got a straight shade structure up this week, which was awesome, is awesome. I'm actually going to, I don't know if I'll put the video up on um, this right now, but I gotta say, it has been, the shade makes so much of a difference. I was sitting outside, it was like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I was completely comfortable because there was a light breeze and I was in the shade, and it was good. All right, goals for next week I already stated. So water, finish the backyard, and do the increased fruits and vegetables. Okay. this is the Fat Health Teacher signing out. It's kind of a slow day, so I will be sharing my good news with you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Please like and share if you find these informative, or even if you want to make fun of them, that's totally okay. I would understand. Okay? Thank you. This is Fat Health Teacher signing out. Goodbye.